Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Elben. Welcome back to my new tutorial video. Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create this effect, just changing an eye inside Adobe After Effects. Guys, this is a crazy thing. This is a crazy task. So there's no other plugin required, there is no preset, just After Effects. Here I'm gonna use version 2023 and I got some footage which I'm gonna use. And other things, just I use the natural light, so comes from window or just you can go outside, and then in order to get the tracking point in the night. So stick around, let's jump on it. This is the video clip which I'm going to use here in Adobe After Effects. So the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to click here on this tracker, and then you click this track motion. So you will save this track point because I'm going to track this eye, cause it's that reason why I'm gonna change the color of these eyelids. So you have to select these eyelids, okay? So make sure you select these eyelids where this track point will be affected, okay? And then after making this selection, it will and I'm going to track. You have to press here for tracking, and you have to wait a few little bit, okay? You see this tracking point is analyzing where my iris is going with, okay? So I have to wait just a few minutes. So all right guys, then when this tracking point is done, I'm going to create the null object, okay? So I'm gonna link with this tracking point, okay? So let me first name this null object as, so maybe this is the right eye, okay? So I can call it light eye tracker, okay? Because I will be the track another eye. So you click here on this edit target, make sure you choose this null object, and then you press OK. And then after this, you have to click here on apply, and then you have to press OK. Just X and Y. All right, so you see guys, now I have already linked with my null object, and I'm going to create an adjustment layer where I will put my color of these eyelids. And then so after this, let me first make this ellipse for these eyelids, okay? So I'm going to draw the ellipse tool for these eyelids, okay? So make sure you have to draw it well as possible, and then let me try to set it well. So and then link this parent link of this adjustment layer with this right eye tracker null object, okay? And then this adjustment layer, I can rename it as right eye color, right? So and then I'm going to create another solid layer. So and then let me name it as mocha right eye, okay? Because I'm going to use mocha what? Yes, okay, that's mocha effect. And then so let me go here first, press here on this original clip, and then go here on effect, and then search mocha After Effect. You have to drop it here for this original clip, and then you come here for opening up for this mocha. So you see the new window of this mocha tool, okay? So first, and I'm going to use this tool just for selecting this whole eye, okay? So and I'm going to select this whole eye, yeah, just like this. So I select the whole eye, just not eyeless, right? And then now right click here on my mouse. So when you're done, and then I'm going to track here this eye. Okay, so you have to click here on this icon. You see guys, this tracking point is analyzing my whole eye. Okay, so it will not take just a long time. So now it's done. So when it's done guys, you have to remove this Mocha After Effect and then make sure you save. Okay, so and then after this you have to mute this Mocha effect, and then you open up this mate, and then you click here on this create After Effect mask. You see the mask which I have already created. Okay, so and then I'm gonna come back here for this original creep. Then I have to click for this original clip, and then you click M for this layer, and then you click Ctrl+X to cut this layer too, and then you move it up right here for this Mocha right eye, and then you click Ctrl+V just to paste this mask, okay, of Mocha. All right, so and then after this you come here for this right eye color adjustment layer, and then you click here on this track mate. So you have to choose this Mocha right eye, you see guys, okay, from no mate. So you open up this mask just for feathering, just a few little bit, and then this exponential, let me add like a 2. Okay, so yeah, this is nice. So guys, after this it's time to add the color. So you have to click here on this light eye color for adjustment layer, and then you go on effect, you go here on this color correction, just you have to press the exposure, and then let me come back here for this effect, and then color correction 2. Yes, I have to choose who saturation, and for this effect again, so I have to choose like level. All right, so now this is the color settings which I'm gonna use for this exposure. Let me first increase this exposure of this iris. You see guys, when I try to increase the exposure, you see what I get. So you see the eye is already changed. Okay, so let me search another effect which is called rheumatoid color. So this rheumatoid color, it is this one, rheumatoid color. Yes, I have to drop it here for this adjustment layer, and I have to open up, and then let me increase this temperature. Guys, when I increase or decrease, you see what I get for this eye. The eye is already started the changed directory. Okay, see how the things I get. And if you want to change this eye from blue up to green or red, so you have to open up these curves. Okay, so when you move these hoovers which is located on the curves, you see some changes. Okay guys, this is how you can create this effect inside Adobe After Effects. That's all guys. So if you have any question, please drop it in the comment down below. Let me know what you think. So see you in next video. Peace.